In this part, we will learn how to measure the voltage across 2 points in a circuit. First, set up the circuit as shown. Now, connect a voltmeter to measure the voltage across one of the light bulbs. Be careful to connect the voltmeter in a correct way. The voltmeter should be connected across the part of the circuit to be measured. Remember that the voltmeter should be connected so that the current flows into the voltmeter from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. After connecting the circuit correctly, close the switch. What is the reading of the voltmeter? Try to measure the voltage across the other light bulb.